Hi guys, I'm Young. So many of you guys are here on my YouTube channel Young360 because you really enjoy flying your drones. And I think you drone pilots must agree that we love that feeling of feeling like a bird, like an eagle up in the air. So there's one accessory that I want to bring to you guys. It's called MagiMask, Immersive and High Definition Augmented Reality Headset, and it is designed in Norway. So this headset that I'm about to show you guys should make you really feel like an eagle, a swan up in the air. So inside the box there is a pouch, and it does a very sort of nice cottony feeling. And here is this massive headset. Da-da-da! This is a headset, and the entire build texture feels very nice. This fabric feels like it's long lasting. So if I just unzip, it's actually a very straightforward device. So here there is the mobile phone holder, and it can take pretty much any size phone because I've been using it with my beloved S10 Plus and it works totally fine. Yep, it works totally fine, and still there is plenty of room. So any big size phone, you'll be fine. And if any of you guys have some makeup on or sun cream or anything, or sweat a lot, then don't worry, there is this removable sponge which is very comfortable for your face, and it keeps the device very clean, very hygienic. Oh, and I'm quite surprised because this actually kept clean even though I had a little bit of foundation on. So now I got my drone ready, and I'm just gonna attach the RC to mobile phone. But here you can't use what's provided with the drone RC because the cable is rather short. So I just got myself a long cable, long enough. This is actually good enough, and just put it to the RC and then connect it to your mobile phone. Just like how you would, but just with the longer cable, which is not included in the box, but very easy to get in any, computer shops, $1 shops out there. And since my Mavic Air 2, it does have obstacle avoidance, so it should help me while I have this headset on. But I advise that you do it out in the open space in a big park like here. So the drone is here, and I realized it's probably best if I actually have it up in the air while I have my mobile phone inside the headset. So right now the drone is up in the air. I'm going to zip everything and put on this headset. And here you can see, I can really see. What you can do is you can actually adjust depending on your, whether you are long-sighted, short-sighted. For me, I think actually having it like right in front of me, it actually works best. And yes, the RC is over here. Okay, so, whoa. I am flying. I am literally flying. I feel like I'm a spy, but I'm not. I'm an innocent person. Whoa, it's really giving me a spin when I change the angle lower. This must be what it feels like being a bird. I can see a bicycle over there. I'm not going to the road, to the park. This is crazy, okay? I'm just gonna turn, which is giving me... Oh, wow, this is literally what it feels like. The bird eye view. I realize it's a little bit tight, so I'm just gonna make it a bit loose. And it's all adjustable. So whatever size of head you have, you are going to be fine. Okay, so here I am. And the drone is already up in the sky. Wow, this is really the bird's eye view. So at the mask, you can see basically what you're seeing is the screen. It has to be an entire screen. Oh, so I'm hiding here actually. Can you see? That's me. That's me. Actually, the drone is there, so I should really face the drone. Wow, what an immersive experience. It is a drone flying experience that I've never had before. So flying drone with your mobile phone inside this MagiMask, it really makes you feel like you're one with drone. Basically, you're literally a drone yourself. It does make drone flying experience very unique and fun because you are really only seeing what the drone is seeing. So the head is spinning when I spin too quickly. However, just try your best to glide like a bird, fly like a bird, then you do feel literally like an eagle up in the air. So it's really hard to actually show you guys what I'm seeing because it's really truly an experience that you have to experience in order to understand what it feels like. Because I just downloaded the drone footage onto my mobile phone, and this is what you're seeing inside. And I must say, actually watching my drone footage downloaded on my mobile phone and watching it inside MagiMask, it's so much more enjoyable than when you do it just on your mobile phone with being able to see whatever is in surrounding. It is literally you and what's displayed on your mobile phone, and it is more fun than actually just seeing the RC footage, because with RC you do have a lot more different buttons, but if you only have the drone footage inside a mobile phone, then wow, it is crystal clear 4K resolution with my mobile phone, and it is absolutely gorgeous because the glass inside, and they say it's patented glass, it gives you this 1:1 pixel enlargement. So with MagiMask, because you can actually extend it and also shorten it, so what I realized is that I don't need glasses. With my eyesight, if I just have it shortest length, then I can see my display, of course, crystal clear. However, if you are a glasses wearer and you want to continue wearing glasses like now, then you can actually, I realize you can actually just wear your glasses and wear this MagiMask as well. No problem. And when I wear glasses, then I realize I have to actually lengthen it this way to see the mobile phone in focus. The one thing to highlight about MagiMask is it's not just limited to flying the drone. It's really for anything, everything. If you like watching videos on your mobile phone and you want that sort of cinematic experience, then you can do so. So I'm just going to literally play one of the video clips that I have and put it inside here and then play, zip, and voila. And since it has a little bit of weight, mainly due to my heavier phone, I find that it's best if you actually just lie down. And I can do that here.
A few moments later.
I feel like I'm literally in my own room because I can cut off the entire surrounding and really focus on what I'm seeing. I can enjoy watching like Netflix and so on my mobile phone without any disturbance. Because the entire thing, actually, it looks like it's enlarged screen. So it is very nice experience. So all in all, I think it's pretty handy and makes drone flying experience fun, watching your mobile phone fun. So there are definitely multiple purpose to this MagiMask. So for me, if I go to countryside where I don't have to actually worry too much about my belongings here, I'm definitely going to take you to my next trip to the countryside so that I can really enjoy drone flying and feeling like a bird. So I'll come back with other interesting reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!